Go. Good morning.
Good morning.
This morning we have with us, what's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua what?
Joshua Kenneth Eagle.
Joshua Kenneth Eagle. And it sounds like you have you're speaking a bit funny. Is there something wrong with your mouth?
No.
You're sure? Let's look inside there and see. Oh, something's missing. Give us a smile and let's see.
Ah! My two front teeth are missing.
They are. So what are you going to demonstrate for us this morning, Joshua?
Making coffee.
Making coffee. And who taught you how to do that?
You.
Oh, who's you? Oh, me. Your dad, right?
Yeah.
And are you a good coffee maker?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you walk us through the steps and we'll keep the video running, alright?
Alright.
What are you doing there?
I'm on my chair.
You're on your chair. Why are you on your chair?
Yeah, let's see. Then what we have to do
What is that you're doing now?
I need to grind. Now, I'm going to split that out.
Is that enough yet or not?
No.
How do you know when it's enough?
Nope. Let's grind some more.
How do you know when to stop grinding?
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough? Okay, so now what do you do? That's not enough yet, eh? So is that enough now, Joshua? Let's see. Is that enough? How do you know that's enough? Oh, no. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, Joshua? Tell the camera.
Scraping his back.
Scraping.
His
Really? You
back.
scrape back and then forwards, and then you dump it into the back into the grinder. Is that right? Huh. Nice.
And you get the tamper.
The what?
Tamper.
What is that thing?
A tamper.
What does it do? Ooh. Let's see. So you push and you twist a little bit?
Yeah.
Why do you do that? Do you know?
So it's nice and flat.
Oh, okay. Excellent. And then what do you do? Don't you dust that thing off a little bit? Dust the ears off, yeah. Okay, and then what happens?
Anastasia, get off of there.
Hmm.
Where's my shirt?
It's right here. Do you want it?
Let's see.
Not quite. This looks tricky. Is it?
No, it's not.
No?
And I am sticking this thing in.
Why are you sticking that in there? Does that got it, you think? Let's see. Oh, look at that. And then it kind of twists, is that right?
Yeah, it turns.
Looks like you have to do that really hard.
I have to be strong.
Really? Are you strong enough to do this?
Yep.
Really? Even though you're missing your teeth, you're still strong enough. Okay, and now what? What's that you're doing?
putting the cup underneath.
Okay, and then what? You push this button?
Yeah.
What does that do? And how long do you do it for?
Enough?
Yep. Oh yeah, that should be enough, eh? Ooh. And then you take the coffee out.
And that's where it holds the stuff that drips.
Oh, that's the drip tray. And let's look at this shot. Ooh, nice looking shot there, Joshua. And how do you know it's a nice shot of espresso?
Because it's very thick.
Ah, it's thick and creamy. Wow, you're amazing. You gonna go into business?
Yep, maybe, Dad.
Mhm.
When we can when I'm 5, we can be Starbucks. Go in Starbucks. We'll have a whole little big counter to ourselves so that the mess wouldn't get in the other stuff.
Excellent. All right. Thank you for your demonstration, Joshua. I'm sure. And there'd be chairs in your cafe. All right. What would you call it? Joshua's Super Espresso. Oh, and then, but isn't there one other step you have to do here? Because do you just leave the filter in there or not? The coffee in there or not?
Hi.
Oh, yikes! That didn't work very well. Oh! What happened?
This thing came out.
Oh. So now what do you do?
I don't know how.
There you go. Now what do you do with that?
Stick it back in here.
Excellent. All right. Goodbye, Joshua. Goodbye, Anastasia. Thanks for making coffee with us.